Good morning viewers. Today I am going to explain about a young boy who was keeping horse cleaning. That boy became a famous writer. How he became a famous writer, I would like to narrate a small story. So there was a small boy in England. He was from poor family. He was very young and he was feeling hungry and he was searching for food here and there by wandering. At last he could not get any food. He got tired and he went to the one drama theatre. In front of that he was sitting and taking rest. By that time one actor came to act in that theatre by riding the horse. So that man kept the horse near that boy. He has told him to take care of that. By that time he comes back, he will be giving money. So he accepted and that actor went inside, acted and came back. By that time he came, that boy kept the horse very clean, neat and tidy. The man impressed and he has paid the double amount of money to that boy. So like that boy was taking care of horses. Whoever actors come to act in the theatre, they used to keep horses in front of him and told him to take care of. So like that, within few days, he had earned lot of money. Then he wanted to keep one assistant for him. He has kept one assistant and told him how to keep neat and tidy the horses. Then one day he wanted to go into the theatre and see what was happening. Then he was watching dramas. He liked it so much. Then he thought of writing dramas. And his hidden talents came out and he started writing small dramas and giving to the directors to make it a drama in the theatre. So like that, he has written so many dramas, like so many tragedies, so many comedies, so many poems he has written. At last, he became a famous writer. So, how he became a famous writer from the horse cleaning boy? Just imagine, that boy was small, even whatever work he has given, that he has done with perfection, with hard work, with concentration and sincerity. That helped him to become a famous writer in this world. Who was that man, you know? That was William Shakespeare, who was very famous in this world for his dramas, for his poems, for his writing. At last he became a famous writer because of his hard work, perfection and concentration and hard work. So that helped him to become a famous writer. So dear viewers, what I suggest is, please listen to my story and learn some lessons. How to become a good person or a famous person. Just with comfort zone we cannot become. We should be hardworking, we should be sincere, we should be doing perfect in small things. That small things becomes a great things in the life. So please listen to my video, like it and subscribe it. Have a good day.